This is linear equation 3.6. All right, what we have here is a line on a graph, and we have to find out what the slope, the y-intercept, and write the equation. So first of all, you want to pretend like you're coming in from the left side, and you're going to hit this point right here, and you're looking for the other point over here. So when I come in and hit this point from the left side, I have to go down 1, 2 to get on this line and then go over 10. So my slope is negative because I had to go down first. And then I always want to go to the right movement when I finish out trying to find the slope. So the bottom number is always to the right. So that's negative 2 over 10, which reduced down to a negative 1 over 5 for my slope. My y-intercept, where does it cross the y-axis in this problem? At 0. And then so I have to write the equation. So y equals my slope, which is a negative 1/5 x. The slope, I always get the x, plus 0, or you can leave it like that. Problem number 2. Come in, and it's here. My next point is up here, so I had to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. So 10 over 6, you should always reduce fractions. So 10 over 6 is going to be 5/3. Where does it cross my y-axis? At 2. So the equation then is going to be y equals my slope, 5/3 x plus my y-axis, which is 2. Next problem. Again, I come in on the left side, I hit this point, and I had to go down to this one, so my slope is a negative 10. What is across my y-axis? At a negative 5. So my equation is y equals a negative 10x minus 5. Next problem. My slope, I come in, it hits it right here. I had to go up 1 and then over 10. So 1 over 10 is my slope, and my y-intercept is going to be at a negative 2.5. So my equation then is going to be y equals 1/10 x minus 2.5. Find the slope from the pairs. Okay, so my equation, if I'm given 2 points and I got to find the slope, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2, because it's the second point. So 0 minus 5 over minus 3 minus 5. So that's going to be a minus 5 over a minus 8. So a negative over negative is a positive, so my slope is 5/8. Next problem. Setting it up is going to be 5 minus a minus 5, which is going to be a plus 5 then, and 5 minus a minus 4, which is going to be a plus 4. So 10 over 9. Next problem. 5 minus a minus 5, so 5 plus 5, and 3 minus a minus 1, so plus 1. So 10 over 4, which reduces down to 5 over 2. Next problem. 0 minus 1 over 5 minus a minus 5, so plus 5. So a minus 1 over 10. Next problem. 1 minus a minus 2, so plus 2 over a minus 4 minus 5. So 3 over a minus 9, which is going to equal minus 1 over 3 when you reduce it. Next problem. 2 minus a minus 2, which would be a plus 2, and 5 minus a minus 5, which would be 5 plus 5. So 4 over 10, which reduces down to 2 over 5. All right, on this one, find the slope and y-intercept for each equation. So on this one, the x always gets the slope. So the x gets the slope. So on this problem, my slope is a negative 7/5, and my y-intercept is a negative 3. My slope is 1/3, and my y-intercept is 3. My slope is a minus 1, and my y-intercept is 2. And my slope is a minus 8/3, and my y-intercept is 4.